Are you a fan of leftovers? If you're not, then I got a recipe that just might change your mind, so stick around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen, where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style recipes. After a big holiday, the fridge is always loaded with tons of leftovers. Now, I don't mind leftovers, but after a few days, it really gets old. So one way I like to fix this is to revamp it and make it into another recipe. And I've got the recipe for the ultimate Thanksgiving leftover lumpia. And if you stick around, I'll teach you how to make an awesome dipping sauce to go with it. As always, recipe instructions and ingredients are always listed in the description box below. So hele mai, come along and let's make the ultimate Thanksgiving leftover lumpia. First, we'll start with the lumpia. I'd like to mahalo Foodland Hawaii for sponsoring this video. First, we're going to start with the lumpia wrapper. Lumpia is a Filipino appetizer dish with a thin pastry crust that's filled with a savory filling. The wrappers can be found in the freezer section in most grocery stores. So you'll peel it off like this. Be careful not to rip it. They'll come in a square shape, so you'll make it like a diamond and face one point towards you. Then you'll add the filling of your choice. Here I've used mashed potatoes. You'll add about a tablespoon or two of each, some stuffing like this, and you want to push it closer towards the bottom. Then of course you'll add the leftover turkey as well. You can use a little or a lot. Try not to stuff it too full because then it won't close. Then you'll pull the bottom up over the top and tuck it in. Then you'll put the left side in and the right side, or vice versa, and you'll go ahead and roll it up, and at the very tip you'll add a little bit of egg wash to seal it, and it'll look like this. And we'll try that one more time. So some mashed potato down at the bottom, and then a little bit of stuffing with that, and then the turkey as well. Now you want to make sure that you wrap the lumpia tightly so that everything stays in together and it doesn't fall apart. So it doesn't matter what order you put it in, and if you like something, put it in. If you don't like it, leave it out. Totally up to you. So roll up the bottom, tuck in the sides like this, and then continue rolling up, and then you'll seal that little top flap with some egg wash like this, and then you'll continue rolling it until you reach the end, and the little tip will stick down like that, and voila! And now for the dipping sauce. You know that cranberry sauce that people may or may not like? This one is a winner. For the sweet and sour cranberry dipping sauce, you'll put brown sugar in a pot over medium-high heat and add the cranberry sauce. And then get yourself some Foodland Maika'i's organic apple cider vinegar, and then you'll add that to the pot as well. Shoyu, which is a Japanese style soy sauce, can be found in the Asian aisle at most grocery stores. Then you'll add some cornstarch and water, mix that up to get you a slurry. Mix up your ingredients that are in the pot, make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. Then you'll go ahead and pour that cornstarch slurry in and mix, and you'll continue to heat until it starts to bubble and thicken to the consistency that you like. Like it at about this consistency. So you'll remove it from the heat and you can pour it into another dish, and that's about the thickness I like it, but if you like it more, you can cook it a little longer. And now to fry the lumpia, you'll add about ½ inch of the cooking oil of your choice, set over medium heat, and then you'll put the lumpia in. Be sure to kind of spread it out so they don't crowd each other too much. Then you'll fry it for 1 to 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. If you like it a little more crispy than this, you totally can leave it in a little bit longer. Flip it over and continue on the other side. When you're done, remove from the oil and place on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Then you'll dip it in that bomb cranberry dipping sauce and enjoy! And that's how you make the ultimate Thanksgiving leftover lumpia. If you want to check out another recipe that works well for leftover turkey from Thanksgiving, then check out my leftover turkey joke recipe here. Or if you want to see what YouTube thinks you should watch, then check out this recipe here, or check out the link in the description box below. And until next time, ahui ho!
Thank you for watching my mom's video.